What if I told you that the tools that million-dollar creators, freelancers, and marketers are using in 2025 are 100% free? No signups, no credit cards, no catch. In this video, I'm sharing 5 insanely powerful AI tools that can change the way you work, create, and think, all without spending a single dollar. Let's dive in. At number 1, no surprise here, ChatGPT by OpenAI. With just a free account, you unlock a powerful assistant that can write emails, brainstorm ideas, explain complex topics, and even write code. It's like Google, but 10x smarter and personalized to your brain. And now with GPT 4.0, it's even faster and more natural than before. Need a blog post, a business idea, a caption? ChatGPT does it all in seconds. Next up, Leonardo AI. If you've ever wanted to create jaw-dropping AI images for your brand, art, or content, this is the tool. From 3D characters to cinematic posters, Leonardo gives you pro-level results without any design skills. Just type what you want, and boom, beautiful, high-res images in seconds. Number 3 is all about productivity. Notion AI. Already love Notion for your notes or planning? Add AI to it, and it becomes a beast. It can write blog posts, summarize meeting notes, fix grammar, generate to-do lists, and so much more. It's like having a second brain fully focused on your work. If you create content, you need this. CapCut's AI tools make video editing super simple and lightning fast. Auto captions, smart cut, dynamic zooms, all with just one tap. Even if you've never edited before, you'll be making viral quality videos in minutes. Last but definitely not least, Perplexity AI. It's like ChatGPT and Google had a baby. You type a question and Perplexity gives you the perfect answer with real sources. No ads, no fluff, just clean research. It's perfect for anyone who needs facts fast. So, these were 5 free AI tools you should absolutely try in 2025. They'll save you hours, upgrade your work, and maybe even help you make money. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for weekly tools, hacks, and AI tutorials right here on Explorai AI Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.